to extract the oil from this fruit. If you have this ripe fruit at home, don't throw it away. I'm going to show you how to take full advantage of this fruit. For today's tip, we will only need 2 of them. We cut it in half and we take off the seed. We will take full advantage of this, and I'm sure that you have never seen something like this before. However, we can use this oil in several different ways. After cutting it with the help of a spoon, we take off all the fruit and we put it in a bowl. You can see that one of them is already useless, and the other one has a better consistency. It has a better color. That's not a problem. It's way better for this tip to use those damaged ones, the ones that you are actually not going to eat. At this point, with the help of a fork, I'm going to smash them completely and then go to the fire. We'll do it like this. If you wish, you can use a blender to mash it completely. The difference of these oils is its use, because it can be used in salads. We put everything on a cooker, already with low fire. The ideal thing to do is to use a spatula to mix it very well. When it's gaining consistency, we will notice that little by little, the oil separates. You see that? Stir it and look at the consistency of it. You can see the amount of oil coming out of this fruit. I'm sure that you have never used this fruit like this. We take it from here, and now we will use a strainer. I am using a coffee filter, those little papers that we use to strain the coffee. I am using this strainer to only get the oil and not the fruit. And we will do like this, moving it and squeezing it, and the oil will fall, like this. Look the amount of oil coming out of our fruit. This is a powerful oil to use it on diets because it has several vitamins. It also prevents several diseases, among others, diabetes and cholesterol. I'm going to make some pressure to help on the releasing of the oil. And we can see the amount of oil that we have with this easy procedure. Only with 2 units. It depends a lot on the size of the fruit. And now we can use the oil from this fruit in any way we need it. This oil is widely used on salads. Everybody loves to use it on salads. It has a lot of vitamins, very good for your whole body. It's not like any other harmful oil. It's very healthy. Do it at home and I'm sure that you will love it.